Hi guys, welcome to Nomad on Fire. And today we're going to talk about how to live the Nomad on Fire lifestyle using YBTC and what that's going to involve money-wise as far as your investment. First of all, I want to apologize. There's some noise in the background. They're busting up some rock and stuff trying to build a new house out here at the lake. And it's almost impossible to build houses out here because there's so much rock. It costs just so much money to bust up the rock to be able to lay a foundation. And so if you hear that in the background, I apologize. There's nothing I can do about it. Getting into YBTC, what I did is I went in and added up all the distributions from January, the first distribution in January to current. This is October 8th of 2025, and that's when they started paying out weekly. So I wanted to get a more precise amount since they started paying the weekly amount. So from January to current, YBTC has paid out $15.57. They paid out 40 times, so that's 40 weeks that they've paid out distribution so far. So what I did is I took the $15.57 and then I divided that by 40 for the number of weeks that they've paid out, and that comes up to 39 cents. So the 39 cents, if you add that up and then divide it by 52 weeks a year, that comes out to about a 46% distribution at a $44 share price. I know it's a little bit more than that right now, but it could, it's not much. So I'm just going to make things easy and use 39 cents at a $44 share price. If you use the 39-cent share price, that averages out to $1.56 per month. And okay, so if you want to make $50 a month in distributions from YBTC, you're going to need approximately 32 shares. That's $1,408. So for $1,408, you can make $50 a month, and that's going to say that can pay your phone bill. So that's one less bill per month that you have to come out of your paycheck or your pay or your income as far as that goes. So sell something around the house, sell something, do whatever you've got to do to come up with $1,400, and then you can start making an extra $50 per month. Okay, so if you want to make $100 a month, you need 64 shares. That's $2,816. If you want to make $250 a month, that's 160.25 shares. So that's $7,051. $250 a month off of $7,000. That's really not a whole lot of money. $500 a month, you need 320.5 shares. That's $14,102. $750 a month, you need 480.77 shares. That's $21,153 total investment at $44 a price. For $1,000 a month, you need 641 shares. That's $28,204 investment. $1,500 a month, you need 961.5 shares. That's $42,306. To make $2,000 a month, you need 1,282 shares. That's $56,408. If you want to make $2,500 per month, that's 1,602.6 shares. That's $70,514. And to make $5,000 a month, 60 grand a year off of just holding YBTC. 5 grand a month, you need 3,205 shares. That's $141,020. And when you start getting over 100 shares, you can start selling your own covered calls against the YBTC and even generate more income. Now, compare that to the figures I laid out in a prior video for BTCI, the Make $2,000 a Month with BTCI video that I did a few weeks back. Look at the differences in the dollar amount. I believe it was $240-something thousand you needed. I don't remember the exact amount you needed to make $500 or $5,000 a month with BTCI. But you got to take into the consideration BTCI is going to grow more than YBTC. But if you need the monthly income and you want to sacrifice some of the growth, YBTC is a great option to do that. What I'm doing is I've built a good portion of my account with BTCI, and now I'm going to start selling puts against YBTC, and if I get assigned, then that will just add to it, and I'm going to do about 25% of the amount of BTCI that I have, because I want to get the extra income, but I'm still getting the growth and income from BTCI. You will get some growth from YBTC, but just not as much, but you're getting the extra income. So at a 46%, I believe BTCI is about a 26%, maybe 28. So 18 to 20% more in income with YBTC. So anyway, that's all I've got for you now. I just wanted to go over the figures with you on YBTC and show you that it doesn't really take a lot of money to start making some good money with YBTC. Okay guys, have a good day. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye. Bye.